Okay, last video, because I've just realised some people were doing octopuses. So, bit of clay. I'm going to roll it into a sphere. And then I don't over roll them. I stop halfway through and I sort of think, right, I'm going to mould it into my hands. I'm trying to create an egg shape, but because it's small enough, this won't explode in the kiln because it's not going to have too much air trapped in it. You don't want it any bigger. Can you see how big it is in my hand? You don't want it any bigger than that as the octopus shape, because obviously then we're getting to the territory of we're going to have to hollow it out, which you can do if you'd like to. But if you want to make it really big, that's fine. You can just follow the slip pot, thumb pot demonstration of adding those two together like you did for the first egg shape, if that's what you've gone for. Okay, so that's your base head shape, and then what we're going to do is make our tentacles. So adding them on as well. If you've hollowed it out, it's quite useful for scoring and slipping just inside. So I'd score and slip, smooching down like that, just making sure it's lovely and smooth. And then, as you can imagine, you can start to add on like this. So you would need 8 legs, hopefully. If you do 7 legs, I'm going to have to assume when I mark it that the octopus got into a fight at some point. But please try and do accurate amount of legs. And then also, like in your designs, you'll have heard me saying, making sure that you are making them intertwine and twist. Again, it just makes it look so much more interesting if things are curled. And it is just a case of just curling it like you would, okay? And so you'd build that up, you'd have 8 legs, and the last thing to do, I'm trying to show you on the angle I can see, the last thing to do once you've got those 8 legs on, in fact, what I'll do is I'll put it there so it looks like I've done more legs, look, and show you. Picking this up gently because it's getting to the stage where there's quite a lot on now. I might just move that leg round there and then pretend that I've put that one onto that bit, okay? Oh, sorry, my cat's here. Tilly, get down. And then what you're going to do is you're going to start to maybe build up just any detail around this area. Sorry, Tilly. She's just having a nosy at what's happening. Okay, I'm going to leave it there because Tilly wants to lick the clay.